We're excited to offer over 50 hands-on courses in 2025. Choose between our traditional live in-person format or our blended format that incorporates 15 months of unlimited access to a comprehensive online course plus in-person hands-on scan workshops. Registering for our 2025 courses has never been easier. Register online at gcus.com or contact us at learn@gcus.com. We'll be with you every step of the way to answer all your questions and assist with your registration, travel, and discounts on accommodations. All Gulfcoast Ultrasound faculty members are experts in the specialty in which they're teaching. You will be able to immediately implement the skills learned into clinical practice while expanding the diagnostic and interventional services you'll be able to offer. We are in the heart of downtown St. Petersburg, Florida. We are just steps from the world-famous St. Pete Pier, a thriving bar and restaurant scene, world championship sports teams, theme parks, museums, beautiful beaches, parks, and waterways. Over the last 2 decades, we've been developing our accredited activities into online courses, webinars, virtual conferences, training videos, and CME Vitals. Our online options may not be as exciting as attending a live Gulf Coast course, but still offer awesome content to meet your educational goals and objectives. Most of our live in-person courses are also offered as comprehensive online courses with 12 months of unlimited access. If you decide to add a hands-on scan workshop, you'll receive an additional 3 months of online course access for free. As demand for virtual conferences have risen, we have incorporated a virtual conference option for some of our live courses when being in person is not possible or necessary. You can learn more about all of our educational options by visiting us at gcus.com or calling us. All 2025 courses offer advanced registration discounts to anyone who registers 30 days before the course start date. We're also happy to offer a 5% discount for 2 or more people from the same facility attending the same program. Don't delay, reach out today.